Okay, let's solve this equation by factoring. And right away, we can recognize that all these numbers are even, so we can factor out 2 before we get started. 4x squared divided by 2 is just 2x squared. 6x divided by 2 is just 3x. And negative 4 divided by 2 is just negative 2. Okay, now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to whatever 2 times negative 2 multiply to, which is negative 4, and add up to the middle term, which is 3. Those two numbers will be positive 4 and negative 1. Okay, so let's split up the 3x into 4x minus 1x. So we get, open square brackets just in case. So we get 4x minus 1x minus 2 equals 0. And over here, we can factor by grouping. So 2x squared and 4x, in 4x, we can factor out a 2x. 2x squared divided by 2x is just x, and 4x divided by 2x is just 2. Then over here, negative 1x minus 2, you can factor out a negative 1. So negative 1x divided by negative 1 is just x. Negative 2 divided by negative 1 is just 2. Alright, we're getting there. Now we have a repeating term of x plus 2, which I just really need to write once, and 2x minus 1. And right now, I can just break down the answers. So 2x minus 1 equals 0. So add 1 to both sides of the equation. And 2x is going to be equivalent to 1. So let me actually just continue over here though. 2x is going to be equal to 1. You can divide both sides by 2. And x is half. Over on this side, x plus 2 is equal to 0. I can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. So x is just equal to negative 2. So our solution will be just these two combined, of course. 1 and negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. And I said 1 before, but it's half. I meant to say 1/2. So that is it over here. X is negative 2 and half.